What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm gonna be taking you into a client's home, this house right behind me, where they purchased a Klipsch system for distributed audio as well as theater. I know you guys love Klipsch, so make sure to smash that subscribe button. We got tons of home theater related content to help you guys make an educated buying decision. Don't forget, we have that nationwide free shipping and low price guaranteed with the free design service. All right, guys, let's get in there and check it out. Okay, guys, I am now in the home. The client just gave me the rundown. You guys are gonna love this project. Klipsch Pro Series throughout for the most part, as well as some of our other really popular brands, and a beautiful home. Let's check it out. So as you walk into the house, you have the staircase right here, and upstairs there's a game room and theater. Right here to the left you have the client's office, and he's got a pair of Klipsch Pro Series in ceilings right here. Looking good. What's cool is we're powering everything up with Sonos, and he does have the ability to do independent zone control. You can put multiple rooms on one zone, or you can do a separate amp for every single room. It's completely up to you. And this space is the dining room, another pair of Klipsch Pro Series. Client's still waiting on some furniture to come in. Now this room right here, I love. I mean, this is beautiful. I think the space was really well designed. You have Klipsch Pro Series in a 4.1 configuration. I've been doing this a lot recently, especially because this space, if you have a dedicated theater room, isn't really necessary to have a surround sound system. We've still been doing a lot of 5.1s, but when you want it to be like really have that designer high-end look, it's tough to convince your wife or the designers to put a center speaker underneath that beautiful frame TV. I mean, check it out. This just looks so good. This is a Samsung frame TV. We sell this as well. On this marble fireplace, I am just loving it. So clean. You can put famous artwork up there, and you can also just watch TV on it. It has all the apps, Netflix, Hulu, all that good stuff. Right here we have a Sonos sub, and this just plugs in, connects wirelessly over the network. Out here on the patio we have Episode all weathers. And I use these Episode all-weather in ceilings because the Klipsch, they don't make an in-ceiling weatherproof speaker, unfortunately. In Episode, I really like the quality of this manufacturer, and they provide a lifetime warranty. So we use these constantly for our patio setups. Let's keep moving through the house. Again, this kitchen, just gorgeous. I just love the design. Got a couple in-ceiling speakers. Again, the whole point of distributed audio, guys, is the fact that you can walk through the entire house and it seamlessly flows from one room to the next. And you can entertain and not have to yell at your guests, but still have nice background music everywhere. Kitchen nook, another pair of Klipsch Pro Series. Looking good. And I'm gonna run a demo on this too for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got tons of videos like this. So if you're just clicking in for the first time into this video, I've made probably 100 walkthroughs on houses, all different sizes and shapes and budgets. So you got to check those out, guys. Let's keep walking through this house. I'm going to go into the master now. Master, again, we got some nice Klipsch Pro Series. Really like the way they did this overhang right here with the lighting. small little details really pay off. Client's not fully moved in yet, or doesn't have all their furniture, but you guys are getting the idea. This is the bathroom. We got a pair of episode weatherproof speakers, and that's because this guy likes to jam like myself. When you're hanging out in this bathroom like we do all the time, once or twice a day, you need your speakers. And you do not want to put a speaker in here that's not weatherproof because it's not going to last very long. These have a lifetime warranty. So check it out. One there. Then when you're brushing your teeth, you got one right there that fills the space. Again, beautiful job on the design of this space. Really nice. Walking into the master closet, we have one stereo speaker. And the client elected for just one. But you could put two. But it's important to notate, if you're going to be doing one speaker, you have to run two speaker lines to it and do what's called a dual voice coil speaker, a stereo speaker. If not, if you just put a mono speaker, it's going to sound horrible. So again, consult with us, guys. We offer a free design service. We'll figure out exactly what fits your budget needs, but we want to do it right. We want you to enjoy the system and not be like, what? Am I only here on the left? Left and right creates stereo audio. Let's keep on moving through the house. This is a killer system, guys. I can't wait to fire it up and run through and show it to you guys. As we come up the stairs here, we are now in the game room. Now this game room here has 4 Klipsch Pro Series in it. So it's just a 4.0 stereo audio. And what's going on is everything's terminating over here with a Denon 3700. Everything is running off of zone 2 on this. TV's hooked up so you can select the audio, but this is actually powering the theater room. So the theater room is one of you guys' favorite areas to see. If you want to see this in detail, you gotta subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna be making a separate video on this. But just a quick overview. Again, Klipsch Pro Series, all the way around. We got front, left, right, center, surround, left, right, overhead Atmos, a sub. This is called a 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos system. And to top it off, we got Epson projection and a 110-inch high contrast gray screen from Dragonfly. And that Epson's a 4050. But again, guys, you want that demo, you gotta subscribe to the channel. Okie dokie. Well, what do you guys think? Should we turn it on? Hear what it's got? I think so. I'm gonna go grab the client and he's gonna get on his phone on the Sonos app. We're gonna fire this bad boy up. Let's do it. All right, guys, so this is the client's phone and I do wanna give just a quick run through of the Sonos app. You have complete independent zone control depending on how many amps you end up getting, because you can put multiple rooms on one amp if you want, but what I'm getting at here is the fact that if you wanted to, you could literally have every single room in the house independently controllable, and you can group any of the rooms together. So you could put the office and the dining room together along with the kitchen and the living room, and then have something completely separate on the patio, which is really common. Same thing goes if you really wanted to have something going in the office and be watching a movie out here in the living room, you can do that. Client is just gonna play something throughout the entire house right now for this demo. You guys ready? Let's do the walkthrough. Sounds good. Yeah, buddy. I mean, you can just hear the audio is flowing so smooth from room to room. I mean, other than like this hallway right here, there's no dead zones. It's awesome. Yeah, guys, it's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle for sure. You gotta have this in your life. Quality of life. Can't see me right now, but I'm smiling. What do you guys think? I want to see some comments down below. Let's head upstairs and check out the game room. Oh, it's not tied in. Right. Ah, okay, guys. So the client actually paused it because he brings up a good point. This is not integrated into the system, but I do want to point out that it can be. With something called a Sonos port, you can plug that into a Denon amp and then group together this room with the rest of the house. So that is an option. But that is it for the distributed audio. I hope you guys liked it. Do you enjoy the system? Are you happy with the quality of the audio?
Yes, the quality is pretty good. You know, we just like to listen to light music. So with that purpose, it's excellent. You walk through all the house, it's very nice, just the continuous flow of music. Yeah, it's excellent.
Awesome. Cool, well, when my clients are happy, I am happy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. We offer a free design service, guys, absolutely no cost. All we ask is that you buy from us with that guaranteed lowest price and nationwide free shipping. As well as our preferred partner program is rapidly growing throughout the US, guys, so we can more than likely help you with install as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.